Now welcome back, dear student. Now we will see here our periodic table of the elements. So in that periodic table of the elements, so see here groups are there. So total 18 groups. In that you can mention see here first A, second A, third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, and these are what 8. And here first B and second B. So according to their valence electrons, okay, here first B and second B. So after first B and second B, here what third B. So these are what their number of valence electrons. Okay, then here third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A, and eighth A. And these are what your lanthanides and actinide series. So in that now see here important mnemonic for this means how to memorize our periodic table. In that we will discuss here group 1. Okay, here total 18 group and 7 okay, 7 horizontal periods are there. Now see here first hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So how we can memorize this? Say here for this your group 1 or first day. So see here mnemonic for this: He, Limca, Soda, Pepsi, Che, Rhubarb, Kase, Far. Okay, so these are what you are say. Hey for hydrogen, Limca, Soda, Pepsi, Che, Rhubarb, Kase, Far. So first only I am saying here we have to not go deeper into that whatever that mnemonic. Okay, so whatever I wrote here mnemonic, we don't want to go deeper into that meaning. Just for we want to memorize our periodic table. Now see here second group. Here beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. See here that we will discuss here. Beta then मांगे कार स्कूटर. Okay, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. Now see here beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and what radium. Okay, so these are what here mnemonic for this. Understood? Now we will see here whatever our transition elements. These are what transition elements. So scandium to zinc. Okay, so this from group 3rd to group 12. How to memorize this? Now this we have to discuss with first transition series, second transition series, third transition series. Okay, now see first transition series, how to memorize this here. For that first transition series, T, one mantra is there. Skati Vakra Mana Fekoni Kunjana. Now see here Skati, here scandium, then titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Skati Vakra Mana Fekoni Kunjana. Okay, these are whatever first transition series. Okay, now we will see here second transition series, how to memorize this second transition series. So see, I am writing here. ये जरा नभ मोहुनी टाक रूह राह पेड़े पेड़े आग काड़. Now see here we will discuss here again. ये जरा नभ मोहुनी टाक रूह राह पेड़े आग काड़. ये for yttrium, zirconium, niobium, okay, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, okay, and your what cadmium. Now we will discuss here. These are what your second transition series. Now see here third transition series. In that third transition series I am writing here. So for that third transition series I'm taking help of here from lanthanide series. So as you know, see here 57 to 71. These are what your lanthanide series. So I'm taking help of here lanthanum for your this complete transition this series, third transition series. So see here that LA, this LA I am taking is here help of this to complete this transition series. Say Lahup Tawari, Lahup Tawari, ऊस इरायला ऊस इरायला गेला असता पाटलाच्या अवधूला पाटलाच्या अवधूला एज्जीने एज्जीने मारले एज्जीने मारले. So see here once we can revise this. लाहूप तावरी उसिरायला पाटलाच्या अवधूला एज्जीने मारले. So these are what third transition series here. Now we will discuss here fourth transition series. So fourth transition series now it is discovered. So that elements we will cover in upcoming syllabus. Okay, they are not now in our syllabus, prescribed syllabus, these four transition series. Okay, so that we will discuss later. Now we will discuss here after group 1 2. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So group 13 we are saying, group 13 we will see. In that, see boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, and okay, nihonium. So up to this we are now mnemonic we are studying this. Okay, first only I am saying this, we have to not go deeper into that meaning. Okay, just it is used for the memorize. Okay, now see here this group 13. For group 13 we will see here this what your group 1 and this for your group 1 and group 2. Now we are saying this group 13. These are what first transition series, second transition series, and third transition series. Now say group for group 13. See Bal Gangadhar, Bal Gangadhar, Indian Tilak. Okay, see here once we will cross check here. Bal Gangadhar, Indian Tilak. So these are what group 13. Now we will see here group 14. In that group 14, say carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. Okay, your lead, flavorium. Now see up to this lead we are studying now. Say group 14. काशी गए शंकर पार्वती, काशी गए शंकर पार्वती. See here carbon, silicon, germanium, काशी गए शंकर पार्वती. Okay, that group 14. So whatever next remaining part we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.